Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you some samples that I made with this new cutting machine, LOKLiK iCraft. If you like to make scrapbook albums or any decoration with words or letters, you can use the fonts and cut words like this. Using the text, write any word that you want and create an offset. Then choose the color for one layer and the machine will cut it first and then choose another color for the other layer. When you are done, carefully remove the paper and you are going to glue now both of the layers. And you can have amazing titles or sentiments. And here I have a box that I made with a machine, and you can find the pattern or the design in the LOKLiK Idea Studio, and it's free. You can choose from many different kinds of boxes. I use the glitter cardstock, and I just added the acetate right here, see, for the windows. And this is how it looks. These are very easy and fast to make. Beautiful. Choose the design, then you're going to select the scoring. Make sure you add the scoring tool and the machine is going to start scoring. Then you just have to change the tool for the cutting blade and click on cut and the machine is going to cut the shape of the box. And when it's done, it's going to look like this. I just added acetate on the windows. I made these stickers using the feature print then cut, and I chose the design and place it on the canvas, and then I send it to the printer. And you just need to use your printer, and then you are going to just put it in the mat and it was going to cut. And you can just cut a sticker and keep it in sheets like this, or you can cut the whole thing. You just put a little more strength and you can have the stickers loose and put it maybe in a little baggie or in a box. See, and this is the same paper, so you can graduate the strength of the cutter and you can have all of the stickers cut like this. Here is a sample of the drawing feature. First, choose the design that you're going to draw and then change the tools for the pen marker. Add your paper in the mat and the machine will start drawing. It drew the contour of the image and you can just color inside of the lines. See, inside of the lines, or you can just leave it like that. And you can draw or write anything and you can personalize things. This is how it looks. And here is the sample of the foil transfer tip. And as you can see, I just chose the design that I was going to do it. And it's going to trace over the lines. As you can see right here, when the foil paper was on top. And it looks super cute. See, even the words, very nice. I can make a card using this one. I love the finish of the foil. You see, so shimmery. Choose the design and change the tool for the foil tips. On the mat, you have to put the cardstock, then the foil paper on top and secure with masking tape. The machine is going to trace the image, and when you remove it, it's going to look like this. This one is ready for a beautiful card. The new LOKLiK iCraft is available for sale and the link is going to be in the description box. As you can see, I made so many things using this LOKLiK iCraft and I will make more samples in another video to show you how it works. If you want a more detailed video of one of these features, just let me know in the comments and I will make it for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for being a subscriber on my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.